Yes, yes.
Shall we wind up the session, sir?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Dear participants, I request you to share your experience with this seminar. I also request the participants to introduce yourselves before sharing your experience. Please come forward.
Hello, sir.
Yes, you can speak.
Yes.
Okay. I really enjoyed the two-day webinar on the topic Statistical Tools and Research Methodology, handled by Somashekhar sir. This presentation will be very helpful to all PG students who want to pursue a research career in their future and also in doing their final year projects. We all got to know about several study session. Sir started the presentation by explaining about what we mean by meaningful research, providing all the valuable points and covering the basic information regarding the topic. He also explained about statistical inference, from we all from which we got a clear and in-depth idea about that topic. He also discussed about basics of statistics, tools and concepts, measurement ideas, scales, etc. The entire session was like a basic foundation course. It was very interesting, and the slides were very clear and easy to understand, stating all the main points with regard to each title. And coming to today's session, the session was about correlation and regression analysis, and later about error analysis, which is very important in research area. All the information shared was very instructive and will be very beneficial to students like us. Overall, it was a great concluding. I would like to thank all the coordinators, especially Sumitrandan sir, for organizing such an educative webinar. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you, Swati. Anyone else to share the experience?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I am Sharan Das, also a PG student of Government College, Kairavatam. And I would like to explain, I would like to convey my sincere gratitude towards Dr. Somashekhar sir. And he was very able to tell us all about the research and the preparations required for it. And he dispelled many of our doubts, and we had about the research. In addition, he explained what are the statistical tools and in research, research methodology, and what type of errors we may encounter in doing research. And for example, we could understand what are the what we should be very clear about the problem which we are going to deal with, and the relevant of the topic, sample design, and the mathematical model, etc. And he explained those topic very well, and he also suggested many ways to understand it. And we are able to understand the qualitative and quantitative measure scales very neatly and in a robust manner by giving the physical examples of them also. And today we have learned about the regressions and the scientific aspects of least square fitting, and how to fix the different type of errors through graphical analysis, and also and experimental error that we will come that we will encounter doing a research, and also our lab times. And for all of us as PG students, it has been very beneficial to share such a knowledge in a way that we will be useful in the future. And I am very glad to be a part of such a great program also. I would like to thank Dr. Somashekaran sir on my behalf and on the behalf of the students of Karyavatam Government College also. And also my sincere thanks and gratitude towards the Dr. Sumitranand sir for providing such a great platform to us. Once again, I convey my thank to the Dr. Somashekaran sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Sarandas. Anyone else to share the experience? Please come forward. So let us move on to the end of this seminar. I thank our resource person Somashekaran Pillai sir for spending more than 5 hours with us. I think it was a difficult job for him to cover all these basic topics within this time limit. But sir, you successfully managed the time to do that. Thanks for your efforts, sir. We are enlightened with your knowledge and presence, and we have learned a lot from you, sir. So on behalf of the Department of Physics, Government College, Karyavatam, I express my sincere thanks to you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you, the Department of Physics, Government College, Karyavatam, Dr. Sumitranand, Dr. Santosh ji, and all other faculty members, the principal, Jayama, and all other faculty present yesterday's inaugural session. I thank all of you for providing me an opportunity to present some concepts before the students. And I also thank all the students who participated and attended this webinar. And I hope you might have little lightened with the statistical concepts. I don't know how much or how far you can go to the statistical jargons, but I expect that some idea has been conveyed to you. And once again, I thank all the students and all the faculty and Department of Physics, Government College, Karyavatam. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. I also thank our principal, J teacher, head of the department, Dr. Jolly Bose, sir, and all my colleagues for their cooperation. I especially thank Dr. Santosh, sir, Department of Physics, and Anjana teacher at Department of Statistics for their help in arranging the sessions of Somashekaran, sir. I thank all the faculty members, PG students, and all the participants for making this seminar a success. Thanks to all.
Feedback form is
the feedback form, the link for the feedback form is given in the chat box. All the participants are requested to fill the form. And if you find any difficulties in downloading the certificate, I will share our mail ID so that you can contact us.